Zeroed out. From Limitless 8S. Team Powers max on the throttle. Shout out to RC Speed Monsters and Ricardo Anti-Ripple Cap Packs.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Anti-Ripple Cap Packs, Ricardo. I love these cap packs, man. These are awesome, man.
Velocity Kings. We're at Crescendo, half-mile laser level track. Coming in hot.
I like that ESC, man. Cap pack too. That thing has problems coming through. No cutout, no ripple. See what that was? Fighting the wind out here, man.
We need that phone. Come on, Max. Come on.
It's on the
Come on.
Mamba Monster 8.
145.
145.
Show the cap pack. Hold on. This is the shout out to our sponsors. We are here with the team, man. Just enjoying the day. We're fighting the wind. See that cap pack right there? You know what it is? This is 8S pack. You see what we're running? It's not the XLX either. 4070 can up front. This might be the only one with the 4070 up front. Just a little twist, my twist.
Show about it.
And RC Speed Monsters, and we got custom decals. Team Power Racing. See what it say there, baby. We out here, man. Custom. That's how we
True
like
Line
it, baby.
Graphics, damn.
We out here.
Shout out, man. Castle Mamba 8, anti-ripple cap. That's what we're using, baby. Big numbers with this ESC. We out.